it's Susan with Perfectly Placed, and I wanted to let you in on a little project I did in my own home. I have this linen closet, which is really frustrating. It's a very narrow opening already. It goes back quite a bit, and this bifold door limits even more how you can get in here. So the previous system that was in here had 4 shelves, and the shelves were deeper, so it made it very difficult to get in back here. So I took out the system and I put in an Elfa system, which allows me to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shelves now. So I've almost doubled my space. I made the shelves more shallow because I didn't really need super deep shelves. Now that the shelves are adjustable, it allowed me to be able to put more shelves in there. The other benefit is because they're more shallow, I can fit inside here and easily reach what's in the corner. Another thing I did was add some motion detector lights, so when I reach in, these lights come on. That was another problem that was going on in this closet. It was very dark and hard to see. As you'll see in the before pictures as well, there was this great big bar that was right in the middle, which was super annoying and limited where I could put the baskets, so I no longer have that either. I organized the space by using baskets, and I have these great labels, which are nice and big, easy to read. I just love it. Every time I open this closet now, which, oh my gosh, I can't even tell you, I hated opening this closet before. Now it is just, oh my gosh, the angels sing when I open this closet now, I'm telling you what. And even my son, who was joking about me doing another closet, said, you know, Mom, I thought it was kind of a little over the top until I needed a Band-Aid at 2 a.m. and I opened that closet and the light came on and those labels, and it was amazing. So this just shows you what Elfa can do. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.